Going on, guys? So you guys looking for a 4-bedroom, 2-bath under $319,000, over 108,855 square feet, guys? This is it. My name's Hector Hernandez, local realtor in San Antonio. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. That way you guys don't miss out on these house tours. I do these, several of these a week. All right, so let's go ahead and get started from the front. You guys saw we have a 2-car garage. I was just trying to get out of that sun, guys. It's about 113 degrees today, guys. So, all right, we're on the outside. That's what we do for you. That's what we do. How we do it. Let's go ahead and get you on the view of this side of the house. That way you guys can get a better idea of what you're purchasing. All right, beautiful landscape in the front. You gotta see that. Small details, but it's nice. Updated door. 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,855 square feet, and the asking price is $319,000. Check it out. All right, I walked by the first room and the coat closet and the pantry, just so I can show you the kitchen. Here's the first room. Here's the view from the outside. Let's see if I can get you there. Oh yeah. All right. Here we go. It's the coat closet that we talked about. As you walk in, and then you have your kitchen on the right, which we'll go in more detail here. Nice 42-inch cabinets. Nice quality. Right, more counter space on that end. On this side, we do have a large sink. Gas. Includes a washer, dishwasher, guys. 2-car garage. The master towards the back. Here to the left wing, we have 2 rooms, the laundry room and the entrance to the garage. So this is the laundry room. Again, it's pretty much standard size. And we have our 2-car garage. We got somebody working in there, so. All right, across we have our full bath that is shared with the guests and the 2 rooms are right here, guys. Here we have room number 1. And we have room number 2. This one has a larger closet of the 2 rooms here. Again, the room number front was just standard. All right, let's go ahead and get you in here. Beautiful flex flooring. Molding all across the bottom, guys. Looks nice. That's the view of the kitchen. Large mature trees in the back, guys. Very rare for you to find these. Higher ceilings in the master. It's only room with 2 windows and a fan. All right, the master room looks like this. And this will be your sinks and your large stand-up shower. All right. On this end, we have our walk-in closet and our toilets. And then we have our walk-in closet. I mentioned large mature trees in the back. Let's go ahead and check them out, guys. Beautiful. Modern flex doors and all. The houses, guys, modern doors. Now let's hear the music. Check this beautiful oak tree, guys, back here. And like that. All right, let's go back here. And then turn around this way, guys. It will be the back of the house. Nice little porch, nice little shade. Brand new, guys. Again, 2022, $319,000. 4 bedroom, 2 bath, 1,855 square feet. Let me know how I can help.